What if prison did not destroy a man, but rebuilt him? What if a criminal became the most feared voice in America? This is not fiction. This is the true story of Malcolm X, a man the system tried to erase, but history refused to forget. Malcolm X was born in 1925 in Omaha, Nebraska. His birth name was Malcolm Little. From the very beginning, his life was surrounded by fear. His father was a black rights activist. Because of that, their home was burned. When Malcolm was only 6 years old, his father was found dead. The authorities called it an accident, but everyone knew it was murder. That was Malcolm's first lesson: justice was never equal. Malcolm was intelligent, curious, sharp, ambitious. He once told his teacher he wanted to become a lawyer. The teacher laughed. He said, "That's not a realistic goal for a black boy." That sentence destroyed something inside him. Malcolm stopped believing in school. He stopped believing in the system. And slowly he entered the streets, crime, drugs, stealing. By his early 20s, Malcolm Little was no longer a student. He was a criminal. In 1946, Malcolm was arrested, sentenced 10 years in prison. This was supposed to be the end, but prison became the beginning. Inside his cell, Malcolm discovered books, history, philosophy, religion. He read every single book the prison library had. He educated himself. Prison did not break Malcolm. Prison rebuilt him. Malcolm rejected his slave name. He removed Little and replaced it with X. X stood for the name stolen from his ancestors. When Malcolm walked out of prison, he was no longer lost. He was disciplined, focused, fearless. Malcolm X was born. Malcolm X became a powerful speaker. His words were sharp, uncomfortable. He did not preach patience. He preached self-respect. He said, "We didn't land on Plymouth Rock. Plymouth Rock landed on us." Millions listened, and the government watched. As Malcolm grew, his thinking evolved. He traveled abroad. He saw people of all colors praying together. He realized something important. The real enemy was not race, it was ignorance. This truth made him dangerous. February 21 1965. Malcolm X stepped onto a stage. Seconds later, gunshots. Malcolm X was assassinated. He was only 39 years old, but his voice did not die. Malcolm X taught the world. Education is power. Truth is dangerous. And silence helps the oppressor. They tried to bury Malcolm X. But they forgot one thing. He was a seed, and seeds grow.